Hey, it's Klaus here. How's it going? Today, I would like to invite you to my new Get Conversions Ecommerce Accelerator community. It's a brand new community for Shopify store owners who are optimizing and scaling. So, what's included? Let's dive into it and I show you a quick overview. So let me show you what's included in the Get Conversions e-commerce accelerator community. In this community, you will be part of a community of Shopify store owners who are helping each other. We will have regular question and answer group coaching calls on Zoom. You will get access to exclusive content and resources that can be worksheets, templates, and tools. You will have direct access to me, Klaus Lauter, on live weekly calls, and you will get ongoing support, guidance, and accountability to grow and scale your business on Shopify. Also, for new members, there's a couple of bonuses. You will get a free copy of my e-commerce conversion handbook worth $199. You will get a free 10-minute mini conversion optimization video audit of your online shop done by me for $199, and new members will also get a free 30-minute e-commerce strategy consultation with me. So if you want to be part of the Get Conversions community, click the link in the description. It will take you to this page, and there you can sign up. For a starting period, I want to grandfather you in for the opening price for the founding members, which is $97 per month. The price will go up later this year, so if you sign up now, you will be grandfathered in as long as you're a member, and obviously you can cancel anytime. So this is the page. I would love to see you inside the group. If you have any questions, message me, and other than that, have a great day. Chat soon. Bye.